Okay, so let me show you first of all, you guys. And I love how somebody talked about the toenails, because yes, he has toenails. Look how cute he is. So this is the folded. So this is the big folded, right? Sorry, the light. There's the folded. Look at his little smirk. I love his little face. He's just like, I'm just walking. And it does come with the grass. It comes with a little grass dye, which is kind of an awesome thing. And we're trying to do this more and more, you guys, where we give you the extra pieces in a separate die. So it makes it a little easier. So you don't have to cut out these all the way and then glue them on. You get the separate die. So we're really trying to do that a lot more. I know, Quilty says, I love him. I know. It's that little smirk that, hang on. It's that little smirk that gets me. It's so funny. And May says, so glad you're taking care of yourself. We all need to do that. Yes, seriously. Oh my gosh, Jeannie says you can feel the land shaking as he runs. That's totally true. That's totally true. It's just that smirk gets me. So then you are also getting the smaller versions, obviously, in the stamps. And the words say all rhino is that I really like you. Get it? Like all I know, all rhino. Isn't it cute? And there's these cute little balloons with the little bird pudgies that are going to go on him, the little fly, which is so funny. And you got to love him sitting down with the little mushroom. Then, of course, you get the dies, of course, right? And the inside dies. I can't believe other companies aren't doing the inside dies, but whatever. And then you're also getting this balloon stencil. Now, let me tell you, this is the stencil my boys, the 4-year-olds, literally attacked when they came in. Oh, my hair's all crazy. It's one of those ones, and let me show you what's different about this. This one's really cool. Hang on. Yeah. So I'm going to open this for you. I want you to see, it has this cute little thing at the bottom. It has this cute little ruffle. But on the stencil, it is etched. So, of course, we have our name at the bottom. But then it is etched stencil first. So you're going to do the stencil first. And then it says stencil second. And then it says stencil third. So there's going to be some fun techniques we do with this, but we put those, literally it said, I hope you can see. Can you see? It says it right there on the stencil, so you won't forget. Comes with the stencil. Then if you get the cardstock pack, that comes with the dies, tons of fun, which is cute. That's weird because on Facebook, it goes the right way. So I'm like, oh, wait, you shouldn't be able to read that on Facebook, but it's because my camera's backwards. But yeah, it says tons of fun. Then on this one, it is a fun stitched stencil and some grass down at the bottom and this circle border thing that's on there also. And that's for the cardstock pack. Let me show you the samples I have from the design team. So what the rule is when we give them the class items, we just say, play. Have fun, do whatever you want. And so you're going to see a whole bunch of random stuff. These are not part of the class, but you're going to see how cute they are with the cute little balloons. Let's see. Oh gosh, look at that one. Look at that fun border at the bottom. Look at those balloons. Look at those balloons. And here's another version with the balloons. We're going to have fun with that in class, you guys. Cute. Oh, wait, I'm gonna save the fold-its for last. Oh my gosh, who made this one? Cheryl, this is so freaking adorable. Look at them, they're at a party. I love that. I love how they're all at a party ready to go. Tons of fun. So the tons of fun comes with the cardstock pack, you guys, which how appropriate, right? Because rhinos weigh like a ton. Look how cute that one is. I love it. Layla says, I bought it, can't wait for the class. I know. Oh, with the palm octagon. Now, wait, is that an octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is an octagon. The other day, so Miller came over the other day, you guys. They came over Saturday. Liam wanted to go to the park. Miller wanted to make more wax seals. So I said, okay, somebody gave me balloons on Facebook. So Liam went with Ken. They went to the park, and Miller and I made more wax seals and made more and made more and made more. So then we started turning some into magnets so they could go on the refrigerator, because what do you do with 50 wax seals all at once that your grandson has made? So we made some into magnets that are on the fridge now. And one of the things, what this made me remind of, because so, you know, one of the little frames is a hexagon. Does hexagon mean 6? I think it's a hexagon. But Miller said, oh, look at this octagon. I'm going to use this. I'm like, first of all, how do you know the word octagon? But I didn't have the heart to tell him I think it's a hexagon because it didn't have 8 sides. But this one is an octagon. So there we are. Kimberly says, just got here, was busy playing with my flower bundle and lost track of time. That is awesome. I love it. Oh, but here's another one with the palm octagon. Sheila and Cheryl made it with that one. So apparently you're going to want that one. Look how cute that is. Most of you already have it, so it's okay. Now here, let's look at the foldeds. So there's the cute little grass at the bottom. And then here's a cute folded. So I love you know how much I love foldeds, because you can do shaped cards, or you can do them on a card front, right? Then, oh, look how cute these are. And I love this. So the design team is so awesome. You guys all know how much I love my design team. But same idea, totally different, right? Because the Tons of Fun is in 2 different spots, totally different. I love that. This one has palm leaves behind it. Same dies, you guys. Isn't that nuts? Same dies, totally different. I love it. I love when there are things like that. I think I showed you this one already. Yes, I did. So that is the Rhino class. It is now available on the website on flash sale. Going quickly. Last time I looked this morning before the video started, and it was 2/3 sold out. And it hasn't even been, I think it's been like 36 hours. It's been on the website. So just a heads up.